Whenever we switch so that this domain is api.recoupable.com, anybody and anything that is building on api.recoupable.com is going to assume all the API endpoints that are found in docs already exist over there, that it returns the exact same response, that it is just as reliable. And the goal is to change things out while the plane is flying and to have nothing break. I think that has allowed us to move fast so far, but I would like to decouple this and to move our chat into our API. That way our front end is entirely focused on front end components, and our API is where all of our APIs are handled. Back end, we should move a little bit slower because the back end other devs are relying on.
It just, again, going back to like, it just starts to, I think it's the correct way to build a modular product that enables people to build on top of. So I agree with that. And that's the where we want to go, especially as AI agents become, if everybody has an AI agent next to them that can code, then we want to be able to enable their AI agent to use our tools. If our tool aren't able to be used by AI agents to build on top of, then we're just trying, then our entire goal is how do we get people to our platform to use, not the AI agents themselves, But I like what you're thinking of, and I like what your focus is of X402 APIs. This is the more modular of, this is how do we make a modular platform work and decouple it. I'm leaning towards it's easier for the user who is not connected to get information by scraping.
I'm leaning towards scraping is for public reads, is for writing or private reads. Our customers will need an MCP server, likely. So starting with the end in mind, starting with what the customer needs allows us to work backwards through what actually still needs migrated and what needs maintained and what needs moved into a better tool group. So that is probably a good North Star for me to orient my goals around next week. Is the goal is an MCP server. And then the things that need to happen behind that, API keys, migrating to Vercel, moving tools, X402, can happen underneath that.